When it comes to protecting your home and ensuring the safety of your family, windows play a significant role. In fact, your windows are often the most vulnerable part of your home's exterior, as they provide a potential point of entry for burglars or intruders. They also directly impact your home's privacy, especially if they face a busy street or neighbor's property. Fortunately, Orangeburg Windows can significantly enhance both the security and privacy of your home, offering peace of mind for homeowners in this beautiful South Carolina community. In this article, we'll explore how upgrading your windows in Orangeburg can help improve your home's security and privacy, making it a safer and more comfortable living space. Stronger materials for added security. When it comes to keeping your home safe, the material of your windows matters. Traditional single-pane windows are easily broken, providing an easy entry point for criminals. On the other hand, modern windows made from high-quality materials, such as double-glazed glass, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass, are designed to be much stronger and more resistant to breakage. Upgrading to Orangeburg windows with laminated glass or tempered glass offers additional protection against forced entry. These windows are designed to withstand pressure from attempted break-ins, making it much harder for intruders to gain access to your home. A reinforced window frame can also make it more difficult for burglars to remove the window or break the glass. In addition to being more durable, these advanced window materials are also designed to protect your family and property by minimizing the chances of injury from broken glass during an attempted break-in. Multi-point locking system. Another feature that Orangeburg Windows offer to enhance home security is multi-point locking systems. These locking mechanisms provide additional security by locking the window in multiple places along the frame. Traditional window locks typically only secure the window at one point, but multi-point locks create a more secure barrier that's harder to breach. Multi-point locks are particularly valuable in sliding windows and casement windows, where a single lock may not be sufficient to secure the window. With multi-point locks, your windows become significantly more difficult to open from the outside, making it less likely that a burglar will be able to gain access through your windows. Enhanced privacy with tinted and frosted glass. Privacy is an important concern for many homeowners, especially if your home is located on a busy street or near neighbors. Fortunately, Orangeburg windows can be customized with tinted glass or frosted glass to improve your home's privacy without sacrificing natural light. Tinted glass. This type of glass is designed to reduce the visibility of your home's interior from the outside, while still allowing ample natural light to enter. Tinted windows are especially beneficial in areas of your home where you want to keep prying eyes out, such as living rooms, bedrooms, or bathrooms. Frosted glass. If you're looking for even more privacy, frosted glass is an excellent option. Frosted glass obscures the view into your home while still allowing light to pass through. It's commonly used in bathrooms or any room where you want to ensure complete privacy from outside observers. By installing tinted or frosted windows in key areas of your home, you can enjoy greater peace of mind knowing that your personal space remains private, even in high-traffic areas. Window security film for extra protection. for added security, consider applying security film to your windows. Security film is a transparent, adhesive coating that makes the glass more resistant to shattering. If an intruder tries to break the window, the security film holds the shards of glass together, preventing them from scattering and creating a more difficult barrier for the intruder to break through. This film doesn't compromise the appearance or natural light of your windows, and it provides an affordable way to enhance security without the need for a complete window replacement. Security film is particularly useful for homes with large windows or glass doors, where breaking the glass would give burglars easy access to the home. Better control over natural light and views. Your home's windows don't just affect your privacy, they also influence how much natural light enters your space. Installing high-performance windows with UV blocking coatings or low emissivity, low E, glass helps control the amount of sunlight that enters your home. This can not only reduce the fading of your furniture and carpets but also prevent people from being able to peer inside your home, especially during the day when the light is brightest. By using UV blocking glass or adding special blinds or shutters, you can maintain your privacy without losing the comfort and warmth that natural light provides. Noise reduction for added comfort. In addition to enhancing security and privacy, Orangeburg Windows can also improve your home's overall comfort by reducing noise. Double-glazed windows with insulated frames can help block out exterior noise, creating a more peaceful and relaxing environment inside your home. Whether it's the sound of traffic, neighbors, or construction work nearby, upgrading your windows can make a noticeable difference in reducing unwanted noise. This feature is especially valuable if you live in a busy neighborhood or near a main road. Noise reduction provides a quieter, more comfortable living environment, which contributes to better overall well-being. Conclusion. Orangeburg Windows offer a variety of benefits for homeowners looking to improve their security and privacy. From stronger, more durable materials and advanced locking systems to tinted glass and security film, upgrading your windows can make your home safer and more private. Additionally, the added noise reduction and better control over natural light and views create a more comfortable living space for you and your family. If you're looking to enhance your home's security and privacy, consider investing in high-quality, modern windows. A professional window installation service in Orangeburg can help you choose the best window options for your needs and ensure that your home is protected from intruders while maintaining your desired level of privacy. With the right windows, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is secure, comfortable, and private.